Alaikum, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Fantastic. Thank you. And how is your fourth day going? Are you guys enjoying the classes? Yes. Have you made new friends? Okay, good. And have you guys learning as well? Huh? New topics? Okay, that's very good. We will continue in the same way and we will learn new topics, new things. We will do some activities as well. And finally, we are close to the end of the week. Tomorrow we will be having some weekly assessments in all of your subjects. We will review you that how you are going. It would not be written. Most of the teachers will take oral assessment. We will just see and how much you have understood. If you have any kind of confusions, any questions, you can ask to your teachers, and we will practice each and everything, right? So do revise whatever you have covered in the whole week of all the subjects and prepare yourself and give the best of yours. Okay. Okay, remember me? Yes. Okay, Miss Obama, thank you. And I also remember you guys. Okay. So it's your numeracy class, and let's start the lecture. In yesterday's class, we discussed or we practiced identifying numbers on the number line. Remember? Yes, I draw a line for you on the board, and we practiced skipping numbers as well. I skipped few digits and I asked you to tell me the number, and we practiced counting numbers in words as well. Okay. Today we will continue with that. We will write five digits from 5 to 10 in the form of words. And before that, I'm going to show you some pictures, and you have to identify the number of digits and then tell me about their number. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay, is the screen visible? Perfect. Okay, who is going to tell me that how many juices we have in the picture? Yes, count them and tell me. 5. Excellent. And what are the spellings of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, how many fries? Oh, I love fries. How many fries are there? 9. Wonderful. And what are the spellings of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. And can you see the... okay, there are two types of burgers. Okay, there are these mini burgers and big burgers. Okay, let's first count the mini burgers. How many of them are there? No, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 of the burgers, okay? And now let's count the big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wonderful. Clapping. Okay, how many yummy pizzas are there? No, not 8. Count them again. 7 pizzas. Very well done. And who's going to tell me the spellings of 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. Excellent. Let's look at the second picture. In this picture, you have fruits, 4 kinds of fruits. You have to count the number of fruits and then tell me their number in words, okay? Let's first look at oranges. Okay. Okay, who's going to tell me when do we can eat oranges? In which season we find oranges? In winter season. Excellent. So do we have oranges now these days? Yes, we do have. Okay. So how many oranges? One, two, three, four, five. Yes. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. How many bananas? One, two, three, four, five. Again, 5 bananas. Okay. Let's look at the lemons. How many lemons are there? One, two, and three. Only 3 lemons. Okay. And the last is apples. How many apples are there? One, two, three, four, 5. Again, only 5 apples. Okay. And what are the spellings of 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Okay. Excellent. Now let's watch a video together and then we will practice writing the name of the words. Okay, tell me, is the screen visible, Bacha? Show me a thumbs up. Cool. Okay, so you have seen that and the video started from one ball and then it keep on adding other balls in it, and then when it ended we had 10 balls. Okay, and well, in today's class, what I told you that we will be practicing writing name of the numbers from 6 to 10. So you have already seen the video and you have watched the pictures as well. Now let's open your notebooks, write CW, today's date, and write the name of the digits in numbers from 6 to 10. I have write this for you on the board. You can take help from there, but I want you to write it by yourself, okay? Because we have already practiced it and many times, so I want you to write it by yourself. But still, if you need any help, you can ask me, okay? Okay, prepare the page, open your notebook, and start writing. Okay, so all of you are done? Yes, yes or no? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, so all of you are done. So before ending the class, let's quickly revise some few things. Who's going to tell me what comes? Okay, let's not say what comes. Who's going to tell me what is the sum of 2 plus 2? 4, okay. If you had the 5 chocolates and your aunt gives you 2 more, how many chocolates do you have in total? You previously have 5 and your aunt gives you 2 more. How many chocolates do you have in total now? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have now 7 chocolates. Yeah, do share them with me, okay? So, class, that was all for today. Prepare yourself for the weekly assessment that will be taken from you tomorrow. Definitely, the numeracy assessment will be written because we cannot do this verbally, right? So, I'll be taking written assessment from you, and we will first quickly revise what we have done in the whole week and then we'll take assessment to you. Do practice, and if you need any kind of help, if you have any question, you can note it down with you and you can ask me in the next class. I hope you guys enjoyed the class. Take care, practice what we have done today, and Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow.